Being in this class, we learn mainly about food safety, and our food safety is how to stop the spread of bacteria, stop the spread of germs. We also learn how to properly cook some things because you can get foodborne illnesses like E. coli or salmonella, and so we are trying to prevent that from happening within our school and classroom. This one is completely different because we actually get to work in here. We get to work in our kitchen, our classroom. We get to go into the meat locker and just practice many different types of safety, learn about a lot of different things you wouldn't even know about in regular classroom.
It's very more hands-on to me. I get to learn more stuff personally because I get to do more myself, and it's not just paperwork and everything. There is paperwork in this class, but it is not as tremendous as the other classes, and I feel like we get to engage in more hands-on activities, and I believe that our whole class has fun with them and everything.
We get to do a lot of hands-on stuff like we're doing right now. We're getting to judge a bunch of classes of pig carcasses, and we get to take a closer look at them, and yeah, it's pretty fun.
I feel like with doing more hands-on activities, I'm able to retain information better. With worksheets, I usually forget it like after a day because I'm just like, I'm writing, I'm not like experiencing it myself. And with these hands-on activities, I'm able to put images with words. I'm able to visualize it better, and it just teaches me and gives me more close-up details of what goes on in that activity.
I'm a science kid, so I really like science like a lot. It's one of the things that I want to go into when I grow up. So that's one of the reasons I took this class, and it differs a lot from your more traditional science classes. I mean, I get to look at all these different things, and I get to like see it with my own eyes, and it's like a physical learning. It's not like I'm just sitting there writing stuff down and looking at a screen. I get to know why. It's like a curiosity thing.
These are extremely beneficial because we have hands-on learning. It's not just we watch things and see how they do it. No, we get to actually go touch it and put it together or take it apart and learn how to put it back together. So it's easier hands-on to where you can physically do it and remember it with muscle memory rather than just remembering it in your brain and then your body not knowing how to do it.
Just that this is a really fun class. I would encourage everyone to at least try it once. Like, I thought I would never be in a food science lab, and here I am, and now I even might potentially get a job at Tech to work in the meat lab with my sister as well. So I'm really excited, and this helps me get the experience that I will need for next year if I do choose to work there.